Hey, welcome to Fablecraft Friday. I'm Joey from Riftweaver, and this week's episode's a little different. I'm actually going to jump over to David Housen, our CEO and co-founder. Dave's going to talk about what's coming with the homebrew battlemap tech that we're working on now that's slated for our marquee release at the end of January. That's right, the next big release is coming at the end of January. We've been talking about a lot of the stuff that's going into this over the last few weeks. We have more updates for homebrew battlemaps planned, and David's going to showcase them now, including the ability to import battle maps from third-party battle map makers. So let's jump over to David.
Hey, it's David Housen from Riftweaver. I'm going to show you how to upload your battle maps with our all-new homebrew tech. Maybe like me, you own multiple hard drives to support your Patreon addiction, and if so, good job. Anyway, upload your cool legit artwork by clicking Add and then the custom battle map buttons in the side tray. Check out the sweet Magic Academy artwork by Eightfold Paper. Set your grid dimensions, and then paint which areas of the battle map that are unwalkable. It's okay if you make a mistake, just use the erase tool. At this point, you could add walls to your work, which we don't really need for this map. Lastly, give your map a slick name and a clever description. Hit done, and you're ready for combat. Notice how you must walk around the desk we flagged as unwalkable? Luckily, I can still aim spells over it, and unfortunately, so can my evil potions teacher. So this is cool, but what if you're a master map maker? You're making completely original creations on Dungeon Scrawl, or Incarnate, Dungeon Alchemist. Don't worry, we've got you covered there too. This is Dungeon Alchemist, maybe my all-time favorite map-making tool. You drag room layouts, click the check mark, and boom, you've got yourself a lovely little room here. You can actually manipulate any of the little props like so. And change the entire room's theme if you're in more of a TPK kind of mood. Anyway, here's a lovely little tavern map I assembled for our demo. Click File, Export. On the pop-up, select Foundry Export. Hey, psst, Dungeon Alchemist. We'd love to get our entry on this little drop-down thingy. Skeet us on Blue Sky. For the file type, I'm just going to select Image JPEG. I really like the limited perspective on my 3D walls. And lastly, I'm going to leave the grid on. Hit Export and save your image. There will be some JSON data for the walls too. Same as before, click the Add Custom Battle Map button. Select your image, but this time, press the Import Map Data. As you can see, it handled our grid dimensions and walls perfectly. Now let's flag some unwalkable spaces like so. Pro tip, you can zoom in and out with the mouse wheel and press the spacebar to activate the Move Map tool. Name it up, and we'll be ready to get rowdy in this tavern. That's all I've got for today. These features and more are slated for our big release at the end of January. Thanks for watching.